Okay, so grade fours, your final thing that you need to get done this year for ELA is a little writing sample. So for your end of year assessment, I figured we would work on a writing sample. And I want you to write a detailed paragraph on a topic of your choice. I'm asking each of you to submit your very best writing on this topic, whatever it is you want to write about. Now, I had a couple ideas. You could write a step-by-step explanation of how you make your favorite snack. You could be specific. Tell me every step from finding the items you need to putting them together. Describe how it tastes in detail. You could also describe your favorite place in the world in detail. Or you could pick a person who's important in your life and explain why they're so important to you. Please provide examples of things they have done to make your life better. Now, it says to tune into the video for an explanation of what my expectations are for the writing sample. So tune into the video. I'm going to tell you my explanations my expectations right now. I would really like it if you could do your best. Okay, I don't want to see anyone else's work but yours. So do your very best to write a paragraph on whatever you like. By grade 4, I should see capital letters and punctuation. That's a big one. So make sure in your work you're using capitals and punctuations, your sentences are complete, and your paragraph makes sense. So I'm expecting that you have read it over before you send it in. Okay, you're not just writing anything and doing anything. Before you send in your work, you should read it over carefully. Make sure that it makes sense to you. You may even want to read it to someone in your house. Read it out loud to someone and say, does this make sense to you? Okay. Make sure that you've edited it to the best of your ability. Now, that's your editing ability. Okay. I want to see what you can do. And then also just make sure that it's neat and I can read it. So those are the things that I'm expecting from you. You can type it if you'd like. By grade 4, I'm allowing you to type your writing sample, but I know a lot of you still prefer to write by hand. So it's your choice. My only expectation is that you try your very best. I want to see your very best end of grade 4 writing. I don't want to see your grade 3 writing. I don't want to see your beginning of grade 4 writing. I want to see the very best you can do at the end of grade 4. Okay? So the very best that you can do at the end of grade 4. I really appreciate anything you're able to do, and I want to thank you for showing up. It's been a lot of fun to work with you this year, and I look forward to working with you again next year. For now, though, let's get all those assessments done so that we can focus on the summer. You guys will be able to start summer soon. So let's get these last few assessments done so that you can feel accomplished for grade 4. Now, next week, if you think I don't have time to work on this today, this writing sample is due on by June 19th. Okay, so by June 19th, I would love it if you could hand in your writing samples. Okay, and you can hand them in to me by submitting them via Teams or Class Dojo or email, whatever works for you. If you need to drop it off at the school, there is a drop box right at the front door that says homework drop off. Just make sure it's labeled Mrs. Oakes and I will get it. Okay? So thank you so much. Do your best. I'd love to see your best writing. It does not have to be one of those 3 topics. You can pick any topic that you want to write about. School appropriate, of course. And I look forward to reading your writing. Have a beautiful day, everybody.